언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 Someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other To know that we're on the same wavelength Oh yeah, why can't we just meet tomorrow 아직도 난 아직도 날
Alright guys, I just got into the car. It is so hot today. Hot. Okay, let's go home. It does, eh? Looks. I know it does look like a lot of drama. You guys, I like to season my rice with this Kinder's seasoning. It's the wood fire garlic. It's this one here. I got this one at Walmart and it's so delicious when you put it or you mix it with your rice, because once your rice is done, it has this like smoky flavor onto it. So good. So delicious.
생각이 들어 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까.
There's the Ellison and there's the Gramercy. So this is what they got.
Liberty Mutual Insurance.
We're just taking some photos for Richard's like real estate stuff, so it's pretty cool. I like this place though because it reminds me of like New York, or how New York would be, but it's so pretty, you guys. But we gotta go home. It's about 20 minutes out now because of traffic, so let's go.